What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CCIV stock. And first of all, I will show you where we are now on the price chart. Then I will show you some major catalysts that might drive the price of this stock. And then we will continue with the technical analysis and I will show you the probable price action for this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, as you can see, we are on Churchill Capital Corp 4. And this company was created for the purpose of merger with this automotive manufacturer. This is the Lucid Motors and this is their first car. It doesn't hit roads so far and we are expecting these cars on the road in a matter of months. Because they announced on February or on March, I guess, that first car deliveries will take place on the second half of 2021. So, and let's first of all start with institutional investors. It's quite unusual, but nevertheless, as you can see, we have more green lines that indicate that these companies are buying this stock. And the red ones indicate that this company completely closed their position. And we have a bunch of green ones and a little bit less red ones. So right here at this very moment, we have some kind of mixed behavior between institutional investors. On top of that, as you can see, the short volume ratio of this stock is rather high. It is 20.51% as of June the 1st, 2021. And it has a very low short borrow fee rate of 7.39%. And they have basically enough shares available for this short. This means technically we don't have much chances to squeeze these shorts. But let me show you this. This is the stats from Market Rebellion, and this is the stats for call and put ratio. And right here you can see that CCIV has 86% call options and 14% put options, and the total amount of contracts are 300,000. So the total sentiment according to options stat is extremely bullish. And basically, I am also extremely bullish with this stock for the long term, but we have some doubts with the short-term period. Let me show you this news. We are on the Motley Fool, and this article was published yesterday on July the 1st, and it's titled "Why Churchill Capital Stock Dropped Today." And according to this information, the recent pullback was because of just a technical movement of the stock. And we have major news, we have major deadline on July 22nd. It will be a meeting of shareholders for the merger. And after this date, in a couple of days, we will see the ticker change from Churchill Capital to Lucid Motors. And we will have basically a new stock, but everything will remain the same. So, what are potential positive catalysts for this stock? Right here you can see that Lucid Motors recently opened a new studio in Manhattan. They have plans to open another 11 studios throughout North America by the end of 2021. That coincides with the start of production of the company's luxury Air Dream Edition sedan, which is expected to begin producing and delivering to customers later in 2021. So, they will open these studios and they anticipate a very good reaction from new customers, and they have a growing demand of reservations for this car. And that's why, in my opinion, in the long term, this is a very good potential contender to be in your investment portfolio. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, I made my previous video right here at the at the beginning of May, and I've told you that we hit this level. It is the bottom. It is the swing bottom of the price action, and I've told you that we might hit this level one more time, and if we will have a rather good reaction, positive reaction, it means if we would have a bounce back to the upside, it might be a new uptrend. And basically it happened. And I also told you that we have very good price below $20 in order to accumulate this stock in your portfolio. And from this point to our current price, we are up for about 46%. And even with our previous entry point somewhere at this level, because we have several touches of this level as well, and even from this point, it is a confluence zone with 0.786, as you can see, from this very bottom to this top. And from this point, we're also up for about 28%. And it is very good price action. So, and what should we expect next? Basically, let me show you that for now, we have three waves. Basically, I think we almost complete all three waves. Let me show you that on a greater scale we might have this is our first wave, second, third, fourth retracement, and fifth might be this is the very end, or we might have one more leg to the upside. So, and what to expect if you want to invest in this company? Basically, if this is the very top of our 5-wave structure, we can measure the retracement from this very bottom to this top. And as you can see, we have very good confluence level with our previous support line. It is 0.65, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, the most probable level of trend reversal. And it's not so obvious that we might hit these levels. More probable that we might hit 0.382 and maybe 0.5 levels with retracement from this top. But if I'm completely wrong and we might have one more leg to the upside, next potential resistance is right here, and I marked it from this point, from the end of February, and we have two touches as a resistance of the price. And next potential point where we might hit, where we might land the top of our fifth wave is right here. And I think we might have this leg to the upside by the mid of July. And then we'll have a pullback right before the 22nd of July, the date of shareholders meeting. And it will be the anticipation of major news, but right before this date we will see a sell-off. And if the second case is the real case, then from this point we might have this pullback. And let me show you that we also have the confluence level with this bottom. And basically I think from this point, if the price will go up, you have to wait until it will hit this resistance, and then on the pullback you can start to accumulate your position. But if from this point we will go lower, we might hit, let me show you again, these levels of 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65. And according to these levels you can accumulate your position in order to go long. And what are our major targets? And to project targets, I pull Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and third point at the bottom of the retracement. And we have this point as our lowest point so far, and here it is. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our third wave, we might hit 1.618 extension level at the price point of $106.19 mark. And it might be potential profits from our entry point. Let me show you that our entry point was right below $20 mark. From this point we might have about 450%. And for those of you who enter your position below $20, you have nothing to worry about. And for those of you who want to add your position right here, please be extremely cautious, because we might have a pullback and you have to ladder your buys down. And in this case, you might have from 300% to about 380% of potential profits. And I have to say it is quite long-term target. We might hit this top in a matter of 10 to 18 months, and you have to be prepared to this. And in my opinion, it is still very good company to put your money in. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!